Hey students, good morning. In the last video, we had seen problems of matrices, and one of the step in that topic matrices get over. Next, move towards the transpose of a matrix. The concept is based on matrices, which is new concept under the topic that is matrices. The concept is nothing but transpose of a matrix. Transpose of a matrix. This is one of the important concept. The question is 5 marks. 5 marks question is based on the properties of transpose of a matrix. Very very important. Very simple, but it carries 5 mark question in the annual exam. What is the transpose of a matrix says? Definition. Correct? First you write or first you take the definition. If A is equal to Aij B M cross n matrix, then the matrix obtained by interchanging the row side columns of the given matrix capital A. What it says, transpose of a matrix says that if A is equal to Aij B M cross n matrix, then the matrix obtained by interchanging, replace, interchanging the row side columns of the given matrix capital A. That is, in other words, A is equal to Aij B M cross n matrix, or you write it as M cross n, then the transpose of capital A is A dash or AT, which is equal to Aji n cross m. Either you take it as here denoted by A dash or AT. Correct? What is the transpose of a matrix says? If A is equal to Aij B M cross n matrix, then the matrix obtained by interchanging the row side columns of the given matrix capital A, denoted by A dash or AT. What is dash? Dash is nothing but in case of first year we have complement of a set, but here A dash means transpose, or write it as AT. AT is nothing but transpose of a given matrix. In other words, A is equal to Aij, we have the matrix of order M cross n. Before that, the matrix capital A having the values Aij is M cross n. What it indicates I means first Ij, first row, first element, Aij, A11, then M cross n. Then the transpose of capital A is A dash or AT, which is nothing but Aij, we have Aj. N cross n, order is N cross n. One of the question is important for 1 mark. If A be a matrix of order M cross n, then A dash having the order N cross m. Correct? I will write here one note. If A is a matrix of if A is a matrix of order m cross n, then A dash or AT having the order n cross m, correct? M cross n, then A dash or AT having the order n cross m, that is nothing but transpose. Now I will take one examples. What is the example for transpose? I will write it as example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Before that, what's the order? 2 rows, 3 column. 2 rows, 3 column. Now we have to know P is a matrix of order m cross n, 2 cross 3. Then A dash or AT having the order n cross n means it reverses. The upcoming order of A dash or AT should be 3 cross 2. Now A dash or AT which is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 their dash, which is nothing but definition says interchanging rows and columns of capital A, means before that we have rows, 2 rows. When the rows becomes column, 1, 4, correct? Row becomes column, 1, 2, 3. This row becomes column, 4, 5, 6. Just observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Before that it was row. Now it is becomes column, correct? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6 row becomes 4, 5, 6 column. What's the order? 2 cross 3 we have. Here there will be 3 cross 2, which implies A dash or AT. A dash or AT, which is nothing but 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. Before that 2 cross 3. Now it becomes 3 cross 2. 1, 2, 3, 3 cross 2. I will take one more example. Otherwise, which is difficult. One more example I will take. Example A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Correct? What is the order? 1 row, 3 column, 1 cross 3. What is A dash? Now A dash or AT is equal to 1, 2, 3 dash. 1, 2, 3 dash means what? Row dash. Row dash becomes what? Column. Which is nothing but 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Which is nothing but A dash. A dash or AT. A dash or AT. Which is the question. Correct? Question is based on transpose. Now, again I will take one more example. Example A is equal to 4, 5, 6. What is the order? 3 rows, only 1 column. 1, 2, 3, 1 column. A dash or AT, which is equal to 4, 5, 6 dash, which is nothing but 4, 5, 6. What's the order? 3 cross 1 becomes 1 cross 2. It always follows the note of the given matrix. Suppose you have the matrix of single order, 1 cross 1, then the A dash should be 1 cross 1. That is the case. Next is properties. Next is properties of transpose of the matrices. Properties of transpose of the matrices. For any matrices A and B of suitable orders, we have first one A dash whole dash which is equal to A, what we call transpose of a transpose. A dash is transpose, their transpose which is equal to A. Second one A plus B dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. After that K into A whole dash which is nothing but K into A dash, where K is any scalar, where K is any constant or scalar or constant. Fourth one AB whole dash which is equals to B dash into A dash. These are the some properties of transpose of the matrix. Transpose of the matrix says for interchanging rows and columns of capital A, correct? We have the definition. Under that we have some properties. Properties, what it says? Properties of transpose of the matrices says for any matrices A and B of suitable orders, if we take A, it's not a fixed order, if we take A and B or any of the order, then we have the following properties. First property says what? A dash whole dash is equal to A. Complement of transpose of a transpose is matrix itself. Transpose of a transpose is matrix itself. A plus B whole dash is nothing but A dash plus B dash. K into A whole dash is nothing but K A dash, where K is any scalar or constant. A B whole dash is nothing but B dash. This is very important for 5-mark problem. 5-mark problem. 5-mark problem is very 5-mark problem is based on AB dash is nothing but B dash A dash. Important for 5-mark. After that, problems based on transpose of a matrix. Example, if A is equal to 3 4 root 3 2 2 0 and B is equal to 2 1 minus 1 2 2 4, verify that first one A dash whole dash is nothing but A. Second one A plus B whole dash is nothing but A dash plus B dash. Third one KB whole dash is nothing but K into B dash, where K is any constant. This is the problem. The problem is based on properties of matrices. Solution number one. Now consider a dash, which is nothing but 3 4 root 3 2 2 0 dash. We have value which is nothing but 3 4 root 3 2 2 0. Correct? 3 4 column becomes row. Root 3 2 column becomes row. 2 0 columns becomes row. A dash. Now a dash whole dash, which is equals to 3 root 3 2 4 2 0 dash, which is equal to 3 root 3 2 4 2 0. Correct? 3 root 3 2, before that it was in column position, now it becomes row position. Before that 4 2 0, which is it was in column position, now it becomes row position. What is this value? Which is nothing but a, given a. Correct? 4 2 0. Therefore a dash whole dash is nothing but a. A dash whole dash is nothing but a. Next, our job is to find second one. Second one, correct? Answer number 2. First consider a plus b. A plus b is equal to 3 4 root 3 2 2 0 plus b 2 1 minus 1 2 2 4, which is equals to 3 which implies a plus b is equal to 3 plus 2, which is nothing but 5, root 3 minus 1 is root 3 minus 1, 2 plus 2 becomes 4. After that 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1, which is nothing but 5, 2 plus 2 becomes 4, 0 plus 4 becomes 4. Now a plus b whole dash, which is nothing but 5 5 root 3 minus 1 4 4 4 dash, which is nothing but 5 5 root 3 minus 1 4 4 4. Correct? All the column value becomes row values. Column becomes row, which is a plus b whole dash. Quadratic equation number 1. Now a dash, which is nothing but 3 4 root 3 2 2 0 dash, which is nothing but 3 4 column becomes row, root 3 2 column becomes row, 2 0 column becomes row, which is a dash. Now b dash is equal to 2 1 minus 1 2 2 4 there dash, which is equals to 2 1 column row, column becomes row, column becomes row. Call that equation number, sorry, B dash. Now, A dash plus B dash, which is equals to A dash is 3 root 3 2 420 plus B dash 2 minus 1 2 1 2 4, which is equals to 3 plus 2 5, 4 plus 1 5, root 3 plus minus 100 is root 3 minus 1, 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 2 4, 0 plus 4, that is 4. Call the equation number 2, which is A dash plus B dash. Therefore, from 1 to from 1 to A plus B whole dash is nothing but A dash plus B dash. Correct? After that, A dash plus B dash. That is last property, KB dash. Now, third one. Consider K into B. K, value of B, 2 1 minus 1 2 2 4. After that, 2K minus K, 2K, K, 2K, 4K, which is KB. After that, KB dash. Now, KB dash is equal to 2K K minus K 2K 2K 4K dash, which is nothing but 2K K minus K 2K 2K 4K, which is KB dash. 2K minus K minus 2K, before that it is row, or you can here 2K K, which is column, now it becomes row, column, row, column, row. Now what you are taken? K taken common, value should be 2 1 2 1 minus 1 2 2 4, which implies KB dash is equal to K into, what is this value? This value becomes B dash, because we have the value of B is 2 1 minus 1 2 2 4. Therefore, which implies B dash is equal to 2 1 minus 1 2 2 4, which is the last value, K into B dash. This is the problem. The problem is based on the transpose supermatrix. We have learned today's class the definition of transpose supermatrix and what is the node. If A is equal to EIJ matrix of order m cross n, then their transpose is nothing but AJI having the order n cross m. After that, properties of a transpose. we have four properties, actually three properties. One is A minus B whole dash is nothing but A dash minus B dash. This is the class, and in the next class we will see more problems on the transposable matrix after that symmetric and skew symmetric matrices. Thank you.